Hello, Matthews, Gatos here. In this video, we are going to look at another question on how to solve problems with multiple right triangles. So in this question here, we have Teo standing on the roof of a 30-meter high building. He measures the angle of elevation up to the top of another building is 40 degrees, and the angle of depression down to the base of that building to be 48. We want to calculate the height of the other building. So to start this question, I want to do a rough sketch. This is not by any means drawn to scale, but just to help us visualize where everything is. So in this one here, Teo is standing on this building, and this building has a height of 30 meters. Now the angle of elevation, that's from the horizon up to the other building, would be 40 degrees. And the angle of depression, that's horizon down, will be 48 degrees. And I want to calculate the height of the other building. So I essentially have two triangles. Now if the height is 30 over here, the height to this point is 30 here. So really what I want to do is find this missing height, and then I can add the two together to figure out the total height. So again, multiple triangles, look at a triangle that has the most information, in this case it's the bottom one, and solve for what is a common side. So if I look at this bottom triangle, I'm going to solve in this triangle here the common side, which is that line of horizon, the line of sight. So if I look at that, I have an angle of 48 degrees. I have a side that is opposite, and I am going to solve for the adjacent side. So O's and A's, that is tangent. So let's start with that. So tangent of 48 degrees is opposite over adjacent. So tan of 48 degrees is opposite 30 over adjacent, which we don't know. So this is a cross multiply and divide question. To solve for side A, I'm going to cross multiply and divide what's left. So I can put that into my calculator, and in doing so, you can see that you get 27 approximately. We're not going to use the rounded value. We're going to use the exact value on the calculator. So I know that A is approximately 27.01, etc. Okay, so now that I have that side, I'm good with this side. In the top triangle, I also have opposite over adjacent again, so I'm going to use tangent again. So tangent of 40 degrees is equal to opposite, which we're interested in, x, over adjacent, which we just found to be 27.01, etc. So keep that number on your calculator. Put this over 1, and again, it will be a cross multiply and divide question. So I'm solving for x, so I'm going to cross multiply and divide what's left. I can put that in my calculator to figure out what the x value is. So in my calculator, I do tan of 40 multiplied by the unrounded value, and I get approximately 22.7. So to figure out the total height of that other building, I'm going to take x and add it to the 30 meters that Teo is standing on. So x is this value right here. So I keep that unrounded value in my calculator, and I just add 30 to it, and I get that this is the total height. Now let's go back up here. They want it to the nearest tenth. So I know that the height of the building to the nearest tenth will be 52.7 meters. So I hope this video helped. If it did, give it a thumbs up so I can help more mathies just like you, and I'll see you for the next one.